an easy way to restore old, blurry, and damaged photos using Meta AI on an Android phone. First, you need to install Meta AI, then open the app and log in. Next, tap the Meta AI icon located at the bottom of the screen. When a new window appears, you can upload your photo. After the photo is uploaded, copy the prompt provided in the description, paste it into the dialog box, and adjust the wording according to the photo you want to restore. Then, generate the result. Wait for the final output. Good luck and happy trying. Close. Next, here's how to create a lip-sync video using your photo with a generated video duration of up to 21 seconds. First, open Meta AI. Second, tap the lip-sync tools. Next, upload your photo. Then choose a song by tapping the Change Lip Sync button first. After a new window opens, you can select one of the available songs or search for a song using the search bar. Then tap the Done button and wait for the initial result. You can extend the video duration by tapping the Extend button several times. Once the Extend button no longer works, you can download the final result with a duration of 21 seconds. Happy trying!